Hi guys, welcome back to our drone channel. Today we've got a quick news update about something that dropped just yesterday. DJI has kicked off a brand new product teaser, and after the intro we'll take a closer look at what it might be. So the main focus of today's video is the brand new trailer that DJI dropped yesterday. It comes with the tagline, "Spin Your World," which already gives us a bit of a clue as to what might be going on. In the trailer we see a very smooth camera movement with a gentle palm that also rolls sideways. Pretty eye-catching. Shortly after that we get the first glimpse of what seems to be the actual product photo, and honestly, it's not as subtle as DJI's usual style. What we see in the trailer is a large circular camera block viewed from the front, and it's pretty clear that it's housing three distinct lenses. Right above that camera module, you'll notice the familiar Hasselblad logo, which tells us immediately that we are talking about serious camera tech. For those of you who might not know, Hasselblad is one of the top camera brands worldwide, and DJI actually acquired the company back in 2017. Since then, Hasselblad has been a key player in providing the imaging system for DJI's flagship drones, especially the Mavic series. Now, looking closely at the trailer, you can clearly see two arms extending out from the sides of the camera block. One to the left and one to the right, and that basically confirms what we are thinking. This is almost certainly a new drone. If you really pay attention, you can even spot a position light on the right arm and what appears to be part of a propeller blade. Well, another big hint that leaves very little doubt about what we are looking at. One thing I found super interesting is the way the trailer emphasizes rotation. Not only does the footage itself have a spinning motion, but even when the camera block fades out at the end, it's rotating as well. That, combined with the leaks we've all been seeing recently, makes it pretty easy to connect the dots. I think a lot of you already have a pretty good idea of what's coming. But hey, what's your take? Do you think it's exactly what we expect, or could DJI still surprise us? Drop me your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your theories. To be totally honest with you guys, I already know pretty much exactly what this product is and what it's capable of. And let me just say, it's going to be amazing. The official release is scheduled for Tuesday, May the 13th, 2025 at 2 p.m. Central European Summer Time. And right at that exact time, we'll have a full detailed review up here on the channel. We've had some awesome hands-on time with this thing, and we're bringing you tons of test footage, deep dives into the features, and plenty of real-world impressions. So you'll get a clear and honest look at everything the new product has to offer. So get hyped with us for next Tuesday. We can't wait to show you what's coming. Until then, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. And as always, stay tuned and see you soon.